Hey guys, welcome to Lwando Lane. Today I want to share with you guys how I lose weight and see fast results. First and foremost, when I'm on a diet, guys, I stay away from a lot of things. I stay away from sugar, carbs, fizzy drinks, juices. I just drink a lot of water and would actually make myself some homemade smoothies, and I've got a juicer as well, so I make my own juices as well. And I cut down on my alcohol, and I cut down on my meat intake as well. So if you can do that, please do that for you to see fast results. There is a catch though. I have a special or a secret ingredient to my diet, and I'm going to share that with you guys so that we can all look good and be slim and have flat stomachs, you know what I mean? So guys, I would actually like to share with you my secret mixture. This is a mixture that I take every morning before I take anything else, so I drink it on an empty stomach. But if you want to see fast results, you can drink this at night too. It should be the last thing that you drink. So after your meals and everything, and you've chilled and watched TV and you are about to go to bed, you can have this mixture as well. It works faster as well when you are asleep, and it flushes away all the toxins and it flushes everything that you ate during the day, so you should be good for the next day. So you're gonna need a kettle of boiled water. I take 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, and also I take 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar, and I take 1 teaspoon of honey, and then I have cayenne pepper, and I also have cinnamon. So what I would do is I would dash like maybe 2 dashes of cayenne pepper, like 1, 2 of cayenne pepper, and then do the same for the cinnamon, like 2 dashes or so. And then I mix them up. I already poured everything in, so I just had to dash the 2 spices, because a lot of people don't know how to measure. I also don't measure, guys. I don't even want to lie to you. I'm not measuring these things. I just pour, and when I think it's enough, then I stop. So that's just and then I just like stir everything together, and then it's ready for me to drink. And that's about it, guys. Very simple process to follow. I hope that this mixture, guys, actually helps you, as it has always worked for me. This is amazing. It's amazing, and you will learn to love the taste of this if you don't, because some people don't like the taste of apple cider, which is why we slot in some honey in there so that it's not bitter. It actually is a taste that you can actually handle. And also, guys, please just try to snack on healthy snacks like popcorn, dried fruit, peanuts and raisins. There's a lot of healthy snacks that you guys can actually snack on. And please, guys, please subscribe to my channel by pressing the subscription button below, and also comment and ask me anything that you want regarding this video, and I will answer your questions. And also give this video a thumbs up, please. From me, Lwando, it's been awesome. Bye.